The Nike Cortez Morse Code redefines the classic silhouette for fall 2025, fusing its deep Los Angeles streetwear roots with football-inspired elements. Dressed in parachute beige suede, the shoe features a tonal foam midsole and a semi-translucent gum rubber outsole, offering both seasonal durability and visual warmth. Its standout detail, the Velcro-secured fold-over tongue, nods to vintage football boots and brings a bold, street-ready vibe. Morse code branding subtly spells out Nike on the lateral heel and insole, blending clever storytelling with minimal aesthetics. Though minimal in color, the design leans into utilitarian flair while maintaining the Cortez's timeless identity. No confirmed release date has been announced yet, but it's expected to land on Nike.com and select retailers in the coming months. This latest iteration proves that Nike's heritage styles can continue to evolve meaningfully, balancing innovation, nostalgia, and lifestyle sensibility in a forward-thinking package.